Yes, hello. Let us see what was the question given here. They have given f of x. What is f of x? Determinant. Some matrix is given, which is in the form of a determinant. We need to find the its derivative of that, right? So before solving this problem, I will suggest you what is the formula for that. Is it okay? Yes. So we know that. Sorry. So let me give you the formula how to find the derivative of a determinant. If you have a function f of x, which is in the form of x function in terms of x, function in terms of y, this is p, this is q. Agree? So if you want to find the derivative of that, why? Because here x, y, everything is in the form of what? Everything is in terms of x alone. Is it okay? Here I can say x, y, p, q are functions of x. Is it okay? Functions of x means in terms of x. So what is the derivative here? I'll see. We have a two ways. One you can go with the row wise, or one you can go with the column wise. Most preferably we will follow row wise. If it is necessary, mandatory only, we'll be going with the column wise. Okay. What is row wise? First row, try to differentiate this function by second row as it is, plus now first row as it is. Then what should we do? We have to differentiate the second row. This is p dash into q dash. Is it okay? This is a rule for finding the derivative for the determinant. Is it okay? So now let us see what was the question we have. So this is f of x. What is f of x? Let me write it down. This is x plus a square. This is ab, this is ac, and this is ab. This is x plus b square, and this will be bc, and this will be ac. This is BC, and this is x plus c square. What they're asking? Simply we need to find the derivative of this, right? As I said, let us do differentiation. What is this differentiation? First row derivative. We know that x derivative will be what? 1 plus a square. What is a? A is a constant. We know that constant term derivative will be 0. And what is second element? AB. AB derivative is also 0. AC. AC is also 0. Then rest of the things we should not disturb. AB, x plus b square. This is BC, and this will be AC, this is BC, and this is x plus c square. Is it okay? First row derivative, rest of the terms as it is. Agree? Yes. Plus. So first row will be as it is, that is x plus a square, AB, AC. Okay, and second row derivative. What is constant AB derivative? That will be 0. X derivative will be 1 plus B square derivative will be what? It will be constant, which is 0. And BC derivative will be what? That is also 0. And I should not disturb third row. This is AC as it is, BC as it is, X plus C square. Agree? So I have done for first row, I have done for second row, and now we need to do for what? Third row. So what it was? X plus A square. This will be AB. This will be AC. This is AB, this is x plus b square, this will be bc. What is the last row derivative? AC derivative will be 0. BC derivative is also 0 because they are constant. When can I say a function is a constant? If it does not contains any variable. Is it okay? Yes. And what is x derivative? That will be 1 plus c square derivative will be 0. Is it okay? So this is how we'll be doing. Now let us continue. So what should we do? This is f dash of. Simply we should expand. Okay. First term will be 1. How to do? 1 into. I have to say, for your sake, I'll use the highlighter. I have to eliminate this row. I have to eliminate this column. Rest of the things I need to take a determinant for that. Is it okay? Yes. So for your sake, let me write it down. What we'll be getting here? This row. So I'll be taking simply, let me show you, then I'll expand. This one, I'll take it as determinant of rest of the terms. What it is? This is x plus b square, bc. This is bc, this is x plus c square. Is it okay? So plus second term will be 0, third term is also 0. Nothing to worry about it. Is it okay? Yes. So now let us continue. Plus what we'll be getting here? Second row. Second determinant, right? What is second determinant? I can take it as a plus. So I will be expanding the determinant with respect to the second row. If I expand, let me show you. Just a second. What we can do here. Yeah, unfortunately, pen tab is not working. I'm sorry. Continue. So from this, what we can say here, if you do with this plus. So if you want to expand this one, I will try to do expand with respect to what is this row and with respect to what this column. Is it okay? So what it will be, because if I determinant, if I expand with respect to the second row, first term will be 0. So this will be 1 into, okay, what is this? Eliminate that row, that column. I'll be getting x plus a square, and rest of the terms AC. Here down will be AC. This will be x plus c square. Agree? Plus, if you check with the third thing, I will be eliminating with respect to what? This one. Third row and the third column. So what I can say, this is 1 into, I can take it as x plus a square. This is AB, this is AB, and x plus b square. Is it okay? This is simply determinants topic. Is it okay? So don't worry if you feel like ma'am, what you are doing I am not still getting means. I will suggest you go with the determinants playlist and try to check there how to find the determinant of any matrix I have done. Is it okay? I'll be doing there. Till now I did not done. I'll do. Oh, don't worry. So now continue. How to find determinant of any matrices? This is simply, let me show you. We have a formula. If you have A, B, C, D, how to find the determinant? AD minus BC. Is it okay? The same thing we need to apply here. The same thing. What is AD? I can take it as x plus b square times x plus c square minus, this is BC into BC, yeah? So BC into BC plus, what about this one? This is also same thing, x plus a square times x plus c square minus AC into AC plus last term. What is last term? I can take it as a x plus a square times x plus b square minus ab into ab I'll be writing. Is it okay? Simply I have applied the determinant formula. So still what we can do? I will suggest you try to solve this for further. How to do? X we need to multiply. Check. See, I am multiplying x with the second term and x with the third term. Is it okay? X with x, x with c square. Then I will play b with b square with x, b square with c square. Simply, what we can say, linear equation, multiplying the two linear equations. So x into x will be x square plus x into c will be x c square plus b into x will be what? Bx square plus b square into c square, it will be b square c square minus, what is this? This is b square c square plus, if you check for this term, if you feel difficulty, I'll be explain with this. Check it. What we are having, x into x square plus x into c square will be x c square plus, now start with a into x square will be x a square plus a square into c square will be a square c square minus this term, this is simply a square c square. Is it okay? Yes. So now let me change the other color. For this I'll be using this color plus, try to multiply with x. What will be getting? X into x will be x square plus x into b square plus a square. Now try to do with this a. So a square into x plus a square b square. Agree? What is the last term? That is a square into b square. If you feel like any difficulty, you just let me know. Okay. So from this, what we can do? This a square b square we can remove, and a square c square we can remove because of the opposite signs. B square also we can remove. Is it okay? So now what we will be getting here? So I can say that x square here is there, and here is there, which will be what? 3x square. Agree? Yes. So now check. X, x c square, x c square, only two times. Okay. So I'll be taking 2 times x c square. Again, okay, let us take a x b square here. I'm using one separate notations. X b square. So 2 times x b square. What is left over? X a square is left over and x a square is left over. So which will be what? 2 times x a square. Is it okay? So from this what we can say? 3 times x square. In everything 2 is common. Simply take it out. And in everything x is common. That is also take it out. I'll be taking a square plus b square plus c square. Is it okay? So yes, this is our final. Actually, they are asking us to prove up to here only, right? So that is what we have done. Is it okay? You can take. But in some problems in options, if this is not having, you can take again x common from both. You will be getting 3x plus 2 times a square plus b square plus c square. This is also an answer depending upon the formula. Like not the formula, depending upon the options, you need to go with that. Is it okay? What is this? This is simply f dash of x. If you feel like any difficulty, any topic you are not understanding, you just let me know in the comment section. I will take that problem. I'll teach you that topic. Is it okay? Thank you.